Independent Inquiry Committee kebenang pynkhreh ban IT kaiphod jongka halo rajin kena penan kam bakla bat bamsap harba penrekam yaki project sambonding electric lingba ka skhim Saubhagya haswa katarik khaddu kata lani shwa ka lai petrik luber yakani la pentip do ba prestun tinsong sembut menteri rangba kecela wadi khmi yakata bonding kejela harba juba bah kinta kali jingkali ke dorbar mang tingka berang ya chakmat hayeng dorbar thawan kani ke juba ba prestun kelawan halo rajin kali no nong nyalam kaliang persya kaya dapat soal Dr. Mukul Sangma balakwa bantip ya kajinglong jingman jong kinhon tokit ya kajingkena penan kam bakla ya ki project soundboarding electric lingba scheme Saubhagya.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to third question 1 to 2. Yes, sir, an independent inquiry committee had been notified to inquire into the various aspects of functioning of the MCL pertaining to procurement, AT&C losses and human resources management. B, sir, the members of the Independent Inquiry Committee constituted by the government are as follows. 1. Honorable Justice R.N. Mishra, retired High Court Judge, Chairman. 2. Shri Manoj Kumar, retired IAS, Administrative Member. 3. Shri Sunil Kumar, retired Executive Director, RAC, Technical Member. C. Sir, the Independent Inquiry Committee has commenced its proceeding and has made 18 sittings till date. It has issued public notice inviting interested persons to depose before it, met officials of MECL, and has sought all required documents from MECL. At present, the committee is preparing the report for submission before the deadline on 31st March 2022. D, sir, does not arise in view at a box.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I thought we will have enough time for this question. Very important question. May I know from the Honorable Deputy CM the terms of reference of the Commission of Inquiry?
Sir, I'll just read out the terms of reference, or since the time is limited, I can place it on the table of House. The terms of reference.
Now, may I know from the Honorable Deputy CM whether the terms of reference is specific to go into the alleged irregularities in respect of only Saubhagya scheme?
No, sir. In fact, the terms of reference is inclusive, including the implementation of Saubhagya scheme.